Script for YouTube video, basic laptop skills you need to know before using a laptop. Hook. Did you know that nearly 70% of new laptop users struggle with basic functionalities? It's wild, right? Well, let's change that today. You deserve to feel confident and in control when using your laptop, and I'm here to help you get there. Introduction. In this video, you'll learn essential laptop skills that will make your experience smoother and more productive. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a little refresher, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the know-how to navigate your laptop like a pro. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, let's dive into the problem many new users face. Picture this: you've just bought a shiny new laptop, and as soon as you open it up, you feel overwhelmed. There are so many buttons, features, and options that it can be hard to know where to start. Many new users miss out on essential features that can actually enhance their usage and productivity. Things like file management, shortcuts, and even basic settings can seem complicated, but trust me, they don't have to be. This feeling of being lost can lead to frustration and wasted time, which is something we definitely want to avoid. You're not alone in this, many people feel the same way. Exploration/development. Now, let's explore some key skills that will totally change the game for you. First off, navigating your operating system is crucial. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or any other OS, knowing how to find your way around is essential. We'll also touch on file management. Organizing your documents and pictures so you can find them easily will save you loads of time. Next up, let's talk about shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can seriously speed up your workflow. Did you know that using shortcuts can help you do things like copy, paste, or even switch between apps in a heartbeat? It's all about making your life easier. And let's not forget about battery life management. Knowing how to keep that battery healthy is key to ensuring your laptop lasts as long as you need it to during the day. Simple things like adjusting your screen brightness, closing unnecessary tabs, or using battery saver mode can make a huge difference. Climax/key moment. Now, here's the exciting part. By mastering these skills, you will transform from a novice to a confident laptop user, ready to tackle any task that comes your way. Imagine how great it'll feel to zip through your work without hitting any roadblocks. You'll be able to manage your files, utilize shortcuts, and keep your laptop running smoothly, all with ease. This competence will empower you, making you more productive, whether it's for school, work, or just browsing the web. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, remember that these basic skills are the foundation of effective laptop use. Mastering them can save you time and a whole lot of frustration. You don't have to feel overwhelmed anymore. You've got the tools to handle your laptop like a champ. Call to action, CTA. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other tutorials for more tips and tricks. And hey, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Let's keep this conversation going and help each other out on our laptop journeys.